To add a business address on Facebook page? Well, first of all, simply tap on your Facebook application. Now make sure that you are already signed into your page. After that, simply go over to your profile section or your page. Now after that, simply scroll down a bit, and under details you'll find your address location option. So simply tap on the pen or edit icon. Now here you'll find your address location. So simply tap on your address. From here you can easily edit your business location address. After that, you can easily customize it and set it to the address that you have. And if you want to add location, search for cities over here, and you can easily simply tap on it. And also, if you like to add, then you can add your zip or postal code over here. After you've done that, simply tap on the save icon, and there you have it. If you have a branch office, you can also include your services area other than the main location by simply tapping here and typing your address. And you can also mention your working hours from here. And that's it, guys. You can easily set up your business address on Facebook like this. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.